Hey guys! Today I will teach you how to create this type of flashback effect. Watch the preview. Add your video clip. Cut the clip every 0.1 seconds. You need to repeat these 0.1 second cuts for as long as you want the flashback effect to last. I'll do this quickly now. Once done, trim off any extra footage at the end. Go to the first clip. Add a keyframe at the end of the clip, and go to the start and zoom. Repeat this for every single clip. Go to the end, add a keyframe, go to the start, and zoom. Select the clip and go to Remove BG to remove the background. Then, move this clip to the overlay track. Duplicate that overlay clip. Go back to Remove BG and reset the background so it's visible again. Now go to Mask, select Horizontal, rotate it 180 degrees, and increase the feather slightly to soften the edge. Go back to your first overlay clip. Go to Remove BG and select Stroke. Choose the luminescent style, set the size to 25%, and set the opacity to 100%. Go to Effects and select Chrome Blur. Adjust. Set lateral chromatic aberration to 51% and blur to 100%. Add another effect, Shake. Adjust. Set intensity to 100% and speed to 20%. Oh guys, I totally forgot! You also need to add the distort effect and set the speed to 100%. I realized this while I was editing, my bad.